Good afternoon to all the EAPCET. We are in our last session of the unit plant physiology, and today it's plant growth and development. So here if you see the first question, the question is on phytohormones, and this is a statement based question which are the functions of phytohormones. We go. If you look at first statement, 2,4-D, which is used to kill dicotyledonous weeds, true. Yes, 2,4-D is a synthetic auxin which is used to kill dicotyledonous weeds and provides a weed-free lawns. Promotes flowering in pineapple, true. If you look at statement C, ethylene reduces respiration rate during ripening of fruits. No, ethylene will raise up the respiration rate, which is addressed. Okay. So here B, A and B, and then of phytohormones. Here you look into the table properly. First, apical dominance. Positive effect of apical dominance promoted by auxin, cytokinin to lateral buds. It will promote the growth of lateral buds. And then seed germination. Seed germination is promoted by gibberellic acid and by ethylene. After gibberellic acid, it is ethylene which promotes the seed acid, where abscisic acid will seed dormancy. If you see abscisic effect of seed dormancy, and ethylene seed dormancy, and gibberellic. So the correct combinations will be all the four. All the four combinations are correct itself. Abscission of and answer carefully. Leaves and or any part of abscission is by abscisic acid. Flowers, fruits, leaves will fall off because of the effect of abscisic acid. Some plant hormones. Observe carefully. Nutrient mobilization. Nutrient mobilization is promoted by cytokinin, which is option 4. Fine. And promotion of root hair growth. This is one of the response from the triple response which is shown by ethylene, which is our and agonistic activity of dormancy. See, dormancy is promoted. Derivatives of so question is on derivatives function. Any hormone that you are learning with precursor, derivatives, physiological functions and be the correct 4 and then clear till here and then again assertion type of question, assertion reason type of question. In assertion practiced to encourage growth of you remove the apical lateral buds, extensive buds because of the action of cytokinin. So yes, assertion is true. In reason it is clearly explained. Become the apical dominance. So yes, is given out because from cytokinins. So and reason is the explanation of this and R is the hormones. Where you find traits, the itself. Here you look into arrange auxins, according auxin, xylem differentiation. First, you see internodal elongation in the rice. Cell division. The right of D. Once again, E followed by C and then A and then D. Option C. Clear, right? It is on and growth inhibition. Here we see first identify in which synthesized in large amount by the tissues. Ethylene is synthesized to the maximum. Actively growing epiphysis of stem and root here cell division region fine, right? So two fine.
Everything is done.
Gibberella? Yes, absolutely. In reason, it is E. Kurosawa who reported appearance of symptoms in infiltrates of the fungus, and the active principle was identified as gibberellic acid. So, A, both and R are true, and reason is correctly explaining the acid. Let's match the following type of question. Gibberellins. Here we go. Yeah. Which leads to rise. Have cytokinin, which is a modified form of adenine upurine. So here 5 causins where they fruits, which is option, that is naphthalene acetic acid, which role will be flowering and supporting parthenoid acetic acid, which is synthetic auxin. So here clear? Any doubt anywhere? Of course, to increase the internodal along hormone used the growth, that is last question of today, which is assertion type. Growth statements are being directly asked quantitative comparisons clearly see the action of total plant growth per unit time is known as absolute growth rate, but it is not absolute. Assertion is wrong. Of a system per unit time as percentage of initial size is called relative growth rate, which is true. Growth. Which means percentage of the growth per unit time. You will calculate the which is option D. Clear? Theology with the concept. Okay.